There's been a giant whale out there eating up tons and tons of Bitcoin. I'm going to get into that. And also, I'm going to give you my thoughts on who that might be. But first, I got some other economic news. First, fun fact, 6 years ago, Bitcoin hit $10,000 for the first time. Exciting. Okay, so let's talk about the economic front here, which a lot of people are still freaked out and actually are sidelined because they're scared that the Fed is going to keep raising interest rates. Well, we got some news today and yesterday that, kind of defeats their argument that they're going to be raising interest rates. So we had the second revision of Q3 GDP come in at 5.2%, which the forecast was at 4.9%. So what's your argument now, people? Like, are you still scared about the macro environment? I sure am not, and I haven't been, and I've been very vocal about that. Got a lot of heat, but I don't care, because I'm right. Now, we also have the Fed Williams saying encouraging to see decline in inflation pressure. They're getting ready for interest rate cuts. Not right now, but next year, in my opinion. We also have Bill Ackman. I don't always agree with this guy, but he did say he is betting that the Fed will begin lowering rates as soon as the first quarter. This is according to Bloomberg. He also says, I think there's a real risk of a hard landing if the Fed doesn't start cutting rates pretty soon. I definitely agree with you, buddy. Speaking about the economic front, just because inflation is going down, we all know it's not in reality, but half of American workers are now making under $41,000 a year. That comes to $3,400 a month. Now, this is coming from Peter St. Ong on Twitter. He also says, given the median rent is $1,970 a month and used car payments is $528 a month, that leaves precisely $894 for everything else: food, utilities, medical insurance, premiums, clothes, and car repairs, sick kids, and the once a year dinner out at McDonald's so that they can get sick and have to spend more on healthcare. That is really sad, and that's probably going to continue to decline as well, unfortunately. But for those that are better off, like this giant whale that I'm about to cover, they're doing pretty good here. All right, so this is from Jason Williams on Twitter. He says, a mystery whale keeps up its daily buying streak, acquiring 539 Bitcoin this morning, or yesterday, following the accumulation of 1,178 Bitcoin the other day. Over the past 28 days, they have amassed a total of 10,300 Bitcoin, propelling them to number 73 on the Bitcoin rich list. And my guess of who this might be, it's probably one of the people that have, or one of the giant entities that have signed up for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Because you know what? They know supply is going to be dwindling. We also have the halving event, as well as pretty much guaranteed spot Bitcoin ETF on the horizon. And we have a dwindling supply. Let me go over that again. We only have about 2.2 million Bitcoin on exchanges right now, and that number is going to be lowered, especially now we are at $38,000 and people are still selling because they think we're going to go to the low 30s. This is people pretty much giving their Bitcoin over to these giant corporations. And you know what? Some people you can't help. I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make them drink. All right? But I'm trying to make you guys drink. So go out, do your daily chore, and get some Bitcoin, man. To end this, if you want to see what we are doing with our portfolio, this isn't for everyone, but this is for people that want to hold more than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Check out the CT Club at learningcrypto.com. You get to see what we are doing and how we are making a killing off of these micro caps, mid caps, and big caps. Talk to you soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.